about to drop $249 on earbuds that might turn you into a walking fitness tracker. Before you do, smash that like button and subscribe. I'm about to save you from ear fatigue, or convince you these are your new workout sidekicks. The AirPods Pro 3 hit in September 2025, refining the Pro 2 formula without reinventing the wheel. Same H2 chip powers killer ANC, now 2 times stronger, blocking twice the noise for that fortress of solitude vibe during commutes or flights. Slightly smaller buds with foam-infused tips, now including XXS, hug your ears like a clingy X, improving fit and passive noise block. Great for small-eared folks who slid out of Pro 2s. Battery? Up to 8 hours with ANC, versus 6 on Pro 2. Because who has time for mid-podcast charges? The wild card? Built-in heart rate sensors track workouts for 50 activities via the fitness app. Accurate enough to rival your Apple Watch, per testers, without the wrist sweat. Live translation, Apple Intelligence-powered, whispers foreign chit-chat in real time, though delays make it feel like a bad spy movie dub. Sounds bassier and brighter, but some audiophiles gripe it's too V-shaped, like Apple cranked the party mode dial. IP57 rating laughs at sweat and splashes, up from Pro 2's IP54. Worth buying? If you're in Apple's ecosystem craving better ANC, fit, and heart monitoring, sans watch, yes, these multitask like a caffeinated intern. Android users? Skip. Features vanish faster than free samples. Pro 2 owners with cash to burn upgrade for the perks. Otherwise, snag discounted Pro 2s before they ghost. Head to apple.com and level up your ears. What's your must-have earbud feature? Comment below.